dog refused to walk. The woman was taking her dog down a quiet street when all of a sudden he stopped and would not move another step. She tugged at his leash, but he just stood firm and stared ahead. She looked up and
What's
saw
up, buddy?
nothing strange.
Come on,
so
just
she
the
tried
road,
to pull
nothing
him
serious.
again,
You don't
but
want
the dog
to?
stayed still. Just a few seconds later, a car
Check
came
it out
flying
together,
past the
huh?
crosswalk they were about to step into. The woman froze for a moment as she realized what just happened. Her dog had sensed something wrong before she even noticed. The car vanished down the road, and she knelt down, hugging her dog tight with shaking hands. People nearby watched in shock as she whispered that he saved her life. The dog finally wagged his tail like nothing even happened.